Before getting started, you'll want to make sure you have these materials on hand. Begin by positioning the motor vertically and remove the motor cover. Then, remove the oil filler cap. Now, with an oil drain pan in position to catch the drained oil, remove the engine oil drain plug and gasket. Then let the engine oil drain. When the oil is finished draining, secure the engine oil drain plug with a new gasket. If you need to change your oil filter, now is the time to do it. If not, move on to step 6. Start by removing the oil filter cover. Then, remove the used oil filter and insert a new one. When finished, resecure the oil filter cover. Now it's time to fill with oil. Using a funnel to prevent spilling, add the recommended amount of X-Star Suzuki Marine engine oil. When finished filling with oil, check the oil level. Then, wait 2 minutes and check it again. When finished, reinstall the oil filler cap.